We can safely say he's one of dancehall's most controversial artists, and this interview has controversy and more. Richie chats to Silk Boss.
Let's talk about dancehall and talk about talent. There's a name where I always sort out. People always want to know what are you here. Like, you can't come to no time at all. Father, Silk.
I love my father.
Roger, what go on?
There, man.
Why Silk been there, done there, do it today? You're one of the young youth them where seems like you've been here a long time. Like, bro, what's going on though, Silk? Like, before the one that hit songs them though. Yeah. Like, who is Silk Boss?
Silk is a youth, you know, always stand out from him young, you know. Academically active. I got into music from a 6-year-old. I normally go to church with my mother, up on the children's choir.
Someone is a singer differently.
Yeah, man, I get vocal training right from a 6 come right up.
But when did you actually say, alright then, not an artist?
2012 was the era when Silk get introduced to a different type of music. And me did it and I say, you know, say, if me could have been able to blend my style with this, it would have worked.
You can't count you and say, oh, you're a singer. You're multi-talented, bro.
Creative mind, man. You never say no say practice become perfect, though. And me not only practice it, but me did have the time span to practice it. In a vocal training, then teach you to pitch certain different notes from baritone to soprano to tenor to alto. Since lately though, we see a transition and excited dancehall. Where you also do it in and out. The gun side, the war type. Why you keep it blend though? Alright, I'm gonna show you a thing. Dancehall is a reflection of the streets, you know. Over the years, you know. Every artist forward on the scene show them versatility. Some choose positive, some choose negative, some choose both. And I know say me is a lyrical artist. I know say enough of them don't lyrical like Silk. Yeah, because when I'm say talent, you know, your name off in the top 10 in Jamaica right now. A lot of times you see a lot of good songs. Yeah. We put out emotion and think about therapists and drama, relationship. And people like them not really talk about it that much. Yeah, you sing about brown man. Yeah, man. Be a backlash. Yeah, me no business. Because I'm show you a thing, bro. The same people them up on the internet attack. Seeing them say when I listen to the song and I stream it now. Because the song is now trending on YouTube music overall in the Caribbean. Most people say it's a very sensitive topic and maybe at the wrong time. I don't business because it's not about the topic, it's about who bring up the topic. And nobody never expects Silk to do that, so that is why enough of them have for them opinions. Like grown man. So if me never run with it, somebody else will run with it. But still, you take it as far as right now, we see our song called On The Spot. You mentioned a Serpy. That's out of your box, like. No, and I really say, choose the road there, father. Silk is not a soft youth, you know. Yeah. Me don't want dancehall scene and the people them at Jamaica. See one little incident when my friend them turn for me and do me something. Seeing and believe say Silk a weak fence. And I realize that ever since that incident, majority of these people in dancehall, from producers to selectors to vloggers to social media influencers, all of them look like them lack the respect for Silk. Them believe that they're just free to come get up on the media and say anything and drag my name and my legacy through the dirt and if you just sit down and make it happen. No. A blood, sweat and tears me shed for build this. And before me make one of them tarnish my career and my name, I rather die. Chilling in fridge with this knuckle. Mention your friends them though, and like a stranger, your friends them. Oh, you find the comeback there, bro. Because me as a youth, I have a strong will not to fail, no matter what. You can't call on a therapist of dancehall right now, no? You're in Labas, so why would I say I collab with you in Labas? We have a collab man named Last Breath It Out, man. Oh, you for some tears in the darkness. Them man try step up on you and with no carpet. We see make our debut, like the first to perform with Alkaline, and Alkaline New Rules. Yeah, like, talk to me about that, because a lot of people say Silk Boss up on the vendetta side and now. Fear is fear. I can't say you, and you not say me. The only 2 artists in a dancehall, 3 as a matter of fact, wherever give Silk Boss strength, is Chronicler, Alkaline and Intense. I don't want to hear no man chat up them mouth because they never give Silk no strength. Number 1, Growling. Who give me strength me a rep for. Normally when an artist break out and have so many hits like you, bro, a lot of people reach out. These giants, them reach out to you and say, alright then Silk, you know, so you need some work? Enough of them reach out to me, but them come a Billy come my thing. Like say Silk never fight for reach when him there. So when you not come to me, put respect for my name. When you can't come to me, come go on like you want come boy up my thing. And music me do for a living. So a man can't come to me with music and me refuse music unless he made a wrong approach.
Have you ever felt overlooked or blocked from this music scene in a sense?
Bro, bad mind people now go and see you out there. So whether or not you want that to happen or you don't want it to happen, it will happen.
When the youth them rise, just like yourself, right?
Yeah.
Have hits after hits after hits. You now say a label or a big name producer, draw close to them and try to mentor them or try push them forward.
One day me do reach out to me and them have a relationship, and then when them get the song end up did it how long, and then me not hear nothing more about the song. Like them sit down and wait.
Waiting on what?
Waiting for me and my team put in the work and become the hottest topic in a Jamaica, then everybody run go and drop song, but no, it can't work so. Music or politics, just like Jamaica. When you see certain man now say you bro, they will shelf your thing.
Yeah, trend on YouTube right now. That means you do something right.
Yeah.
Yeah, beat the system in that sense.
No man can beat the system, they only can outsmart them.
Brown man at the talk of the tone right now. Silk Boss, them say the topic, boy. Like, for people.
Yeah, it was a derogatory topic.
Yeah.
So no ease me up, man. Because I don't know say if me never do it, and next artist would do it. I try a Silk Boss do it, man. Ease me up, man. I'll tell you what.
So, boss, talking right now, inspiration behind music, like, what's some artists that inspire you though?
Alka and Lawman.
What your dream collab?
My dream collab was to get a collab with Alka and Lawman.
Yo, you choose two artists where them not mesh
I
with each
feel
other.
them problem that me I do music.
Somebody write that Silk Boss at the bridge between dancehall and reggae. You ever think about that before? Like, oh, you put the song together, like, it seems like if you go Rasta tomorrow, you run reggae too.
I can.
So it's fair to say Silk Boss.
Me a music madman.
Right.
He's a music
Complete
madman.
artist right now.
Yeah, man. He's a complete music madman.
There Jamaica do still show them outside Jamaica. What difference you see?
I see, in a music, father, every country you go, it have a different way they market their music, and them have a different system in the music. So you see, when you go there from, you have to just know how to adapt to them system. Once you have the hit them, as a dancehall artist, bro, you know you can pull a crowd array. You don't think you have nothing to worry about.
Bands. It's a topic of most people that say the younger generation them can't perform with a band. You see how the world of the bands.
Father, what Jamaican people need to understand about Silk, you see when we did a church and I get vocal training from
bands.
church, a bands. A drum, me a play a drum, you understand? Piano, they play piano, who a play guitar, I play guitar, no rhythm now play in a church.
What is your mode? Like, how we actually going to writing a song?
Silk is not a part of this world, you know.
Yeah. Explain that.
He's not a part of this world. My vessel is part of this world. My body is part of this world. But my soul and my mind is not of this world. So I don't think like regular people.
Alien. See, boss, it's a different world. Different, some galactic thing you got on right now, see the boss. You get me, I say?
No, I really say galactic, bro. I tell you what me say when I sing.
So basically, when you're in the mode of making music, everything in the world disappeared. That's you and the stars.
Because I sing with my eye locking when me have voice. My producer, Brad, can tell you, when I sing my eye closed. You understand? I block out every sound and everything when they make noise, every movement and everything.
Every Sunday we notice on TikTok and everybody WhatsApp right now, you have a song where it's like you're singing about gospel. And that's why people vex you, you know, because you sing off gospel like maybe 2 weeks before the Brown Man song. And people say, oh, see, boss guy, I said, what am I praise God to you know, what go on?
Alright, I'm going to show you how Jamaican people don't just. See, the same man, where they tell me, say, oh, me sing gospel last week, I'm going to sing Brown Man this week, and him go to church, go say hallelujah Sunday, and Monday you hear alcohol playing at the house. I see them people them there where tell me say me should sing the Brown Man song. So you get what I try to say?
You can't please people.
You cannot please people. Who is without sin cast the first stone.
See, boss, what's next for you right now? What can I check out for you?
Just greatness.
See you know, Silk Boss, the man at the moment right now. Say you know, don't play hypocrite. Bro man, that's bro man. Silk is here. Father, active.
Yeah.
Man.